Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese. In this section, we have a word list in this unit, in fourth unit, and but we don't learn words by words. For example, jiao means to call and to be known as. We don't learn like it. We will learn these words in sentence. So I will make sentence in this video. So you will write all of them. Okay. But in one sentence, I will use several words in this list, so we can make uh, 5 or 6 sentences totally. Okay, here Jia, we use 什么 and here we have 名字. So we can use 3 of them to make a sentence to ask your name. 你叫什么名字? You all know this sentence. 你叫什么名字? What's your name? Okay, I will write here. 你叫什么名字? 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 What's your name? 什么 what 名字 name 叫 to call. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? Okay. So 认识 I can use 认识 with, for example, I know that student. 我认识那个学生. I use 4 words in the list. 我认识那个学生. I know that student. 我认识我认识那个学生我认识那个学生 I know that student. I know that student. 我认识那个学生 I know that student. Okay. You also write all this sentence with me. Okay, next word 高兴. And I can say 认识你,我很高兴. Nice to meet you. 认识你,我很高兴. I already wrote 认识. 我认识那个学生, so I just write 我很高兴. I am so pleased. I am so glad. 我很高兴.高 fort 高兴. 我很高兴. I am very glad. I am very pleased. 我认识你,我很高兴. Nice to meet you. I am glad to meet you. Okay. Here, 贵姓. We ask some person we have to respect. May I know your name? You know that structure? 您贵姓? What was this? It's a respectful form of you. 您贵姓? 贵 贵姓 닌贵姓 May I know your name? 닌贵姓 May I know your name? And with 贵姓 we just use 닌. For example, we can't say 타贵姓 May I know his name? We can say like this. You have to use 닌贵姓 May I know your name? Okay. You also write this sentence. And here 姓 For example, 我姓张 My surname is 张 姓 means surname 我姓我姓张我姓张 My surname is 张我姓张 My surname is 张 Okay, let's pass this sentence. 什么 we already used 你叫什么名字 We wrote that sentence. And 名字 also same sentence 你叫什么名字 So 是学生 we used 学生那个学生这个人 we can use 是这个人 type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 What can we say? This person is a doctor. How can we say? You try to make this sentence. This person is a doctor. This person, how can we say? 这个 this. But we should use the major word 这个人 this person to be 是 doctor 大夫这个人是大夫 This person is a doctor. Okay, let's write this sentence. 这个人是大夫这个人是大夫 This person is a doctor. This person is a doctor. 这个人是大夫这个人是大夫 Okay. And here we have 留学生留学生 is foreigner student. And we can say my friend is a 留学生 My friend is a foreigner student. We can say 我的朋友 Well, here 我朋友我朋友是留学生留学生留学生我朋友是留学生 My friend is a foreigner student. My friend is a foreigner student. Okay. And here 美国 is USA means USA and 美国人 means American. Okay, we can say he is American. How can we make it as sentence? He is American. It's simple. 他是美国人 Ta sure. May we are writing like this. Here, one and da. May turtle. May kalın. Like this, and this. Second one, may go. If we add run here, it will become nationality. Mego is country, and if we add run means person, it will be nationality. For example, Turkey is Turkey, Turkish is Turkish people. And for example, Fago is France, and Fagoren French. Like this. And later we will learn many countries. Don't be hurry about that. Okay, I think we write sentence by using all the words here. If you have anything you didn't understand, please write on the comment section and I will answer that. I hope you find the video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next videos.